Another very good afternoon, my friends and viewers. As I have discussed earlier about the construction of portfolios, reconstruction of portfolios, as well as follow up, alteration, and profit booking, all these we have discussed in my earlier video shows. It's a part, an important part of the portfolio discussion, that is shifting of assets. What is shifting of assets? That will be discussed, will be gone through the entire show. Firstly, as I have said, you must have a diversified portfolio, taking different types of equities along with ETFs for your liquidity, along with your mutual funds, both equity, debt, and balanced. So now certain time period there is a multiple years when some sort of asset classes outperformed, some sort of asset classes remain subdued. So that's why the justification of shifting of assets. Now first look at the slides, will be appearing in front of you, and in a portfolio there is required to be bullions as well as real estate and currencies as of cash, whatever you like, and then review periodically. Addition and alteration was the one part, but today's topic is shifting of assets. When we get a profit out of the asset class, our targeted profit, we sell it out and bring our money back as a profit and kept in our tijori, right? Now what is the second reason of shifting up assets? Because of getting other asset classes at discounted price, maybe comparatively cheap and affordable than the existing asset class we are invested, right? And finally, the third reason of the selling one and buying another, or investing in another asset class, there is suppose there is a fixed deposit, a bond, treasury bill, which has a constant and secure performance record and assured with the return, is getting attracted. Then the now when fixed return instruments become attractive, accordingly performance reduced and gets volatile in equity market, then naturally funds get shifted from one to another. When this year gold price is up by 37%, and if there is a position of equity market going up also, then the fund should be transferred to debt instrument like FD and bonds, treasury bill, etc., etc. When as of 29th May we are getting equity index at least discounted by 30 to 40%, and gold is higher, almost 30 to 37 to 40%. Common people will not find any bricks word in gold, rather in equity. So the asset which is available at discounted, that will be much more preferable than other one. It's quite common and natural. When a FII, foreign institutional investor, or FPI, foreign portfolio investor, or HNI, high net worth individual, convert the dollars and euros, which are much more appreciated, and our Indian currency INR is depreciated, they will get the extra benefit of 5 to 6%. So you will see at the end of the program, I have made some slides over there. So they are getting 5 to 6% currency conversion advantage, plus equity discounted by 30 to 40%. Altogether it's coming to almost 45%, means they are getting the equities at almost half a price. So why they won't come? That's why India as an emerging country is very much promising as of now, along with a very weak crude oil price right now, and going ahead we are looking also the cheapest and affordable crude oil price, which will support the current account deficit going forward. So thank you very much, friends and viewers, for today. Hope you have enjoyed and getting new feeds. If you are liking this video shows, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much once again. Shifting of assets from one to another may be crucial if you are not experienced with, and also I would like to remind you that if there is a liquidity in the market, all the asset class will move on, maybe someone earlier or maybe someone little bit after, but all will be move on either side.